Hey students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, you will learn about the various concepts of economics in a short period of time. Let's start. Today's topic is production possibility curve. We all know that the human wants are unlimited and the resources to fulfill the human wants are limited, and the resources have the alternative use. That means there are many uses of the resources. So in the economy there arises the problem of scarcity and choice. So the different problems like scarcity, choice, allocation of resource, etc., can be solved with the help of the concept called production possibility curve. Production possibility curve is a graphical representation of the maximum possible uh, level of output that an economy can achieve with full utilization of the existing resources. The other name of the production possibility curve is production possibility frontier and product transformation curve. And the production possibility curve is based on some assumptions. The sum of the assumptions of production possibility curve are: economy is producing only two goods, though the economy can produce many goods, but we are assuming that the economy produces only two goods. There is full employment of resources. Production technology is given and constant. Factors of production are given and fixed. Time period is given. Now the production possibility curve can be explained with the help of the production possibility schedule. In this schedule, there are four columns, and the first column shows the combination of consumer goods and the capital goods. Second column shows the consumer goods. Third column shows the capital goods, and the fourth column shows the opportunity cost. When all the resources are used for the production of the capital goods, there is no production of consumer goods. So the combination of consumer goods and capital goods is 0, 15. Similarly, when all the resources of the economy are used for the production of the consumer goods, the production of consumer goods is 5 and the production of capital goods is 0. When more and more units of the consumer goods are produced, then the resources are diverted from the production of capital goods to the production of the consumer goods. And here we can see, as the 1 unit of the consumer goods is increased, the opportunity cost is goes on increasing. First it was 1, then it increases to 2, then 3, 4, and 5. And because of the increasing opportunity cost, the shape of the production possibility curve is concave to the origin, and the production possibility curve is downward sloping, and it is concave to the origin, because as the production of consumer goods increases, there is the decrease in the production of the capital goods because of the scarcity of the resource, and resource having the opportunity cost. The production possibility curve can be shown with the help of the diagram. By plotting the various combination of consumer goods and the capital goods on the graph, we can obtain the production possibility curve. Here the first point is 0, 15. Here on the x-axis we are measuring consumer goods, and on the y-axis we are measuring the capital goods. So the first combination is 0, 15. 0, 15. That means this is represented by the point A. Similarly, 1, 14. 1, 14 over here. 14. 2, 12. 2, 12. 3, 9. 3, 9. 4, 5. 4, 5. And 5, 0. And this point is B, this is C, D, E, and this one is F. When we join all these points like this, we will obtain a curve which is concave to the origin, and the name of this curve is called the production possibility curve. All the possible combination lies on the production possibility curve. The point G, which is inside the production possibility curve, shows the inefficient utilization of the resources, whereas the point H, which is outside the production possibility curve, is desirable, but due to the limited resources or the scarcity of the resources, point H is not able to reach. So all the possible combinations that can be produced with the given available resources lies on the production possibility curve. This production possibility curve is also called the production possibility frontier, as it shows what can be achieved and what cannot be achieved. And other name of this PPC curve is the product transformation curve, because to produce more and more units of the consumer goods, we need to transfer the resources from the capital goods to the consumer goods. If the opportunity cost is constant, the shape of the production possibility curve is linear, whereas if the opportunity cost is not constant, the shape of the PPC curve is non-linear. In PPC curve, due to the various reasons, the production capacity of the economy increases or decreases. And when the production capacity of the economy increases, the production possibility curve shift outward, whereas when the production capacity of the economy decreases, the production possibility curve shift inward. This outward shift and the inward shift of the PPC curve is called the shift in production possibility curve. The various reasons that leads to the outward shift in the production possibility curve are improvement in technology. If the productivity of the labor increase because of the skill, education, etc. If there are more raw materials are available in the economy, and there is new natural resources found in the economy, and if the population increases in the economy because of birth, migration, etc., and because of all this reason, the production possibility curve shift outward. On the other hand, if the production is done by old technology and the productivity of the labor decreased due to the lack of skill, education, and if the raw materials are decreased in the economy and the natural resources are shortage in the economy, and the population of the country decreased because of death and migration, etc., and because of all this reason, the production possibility curve shift inward. It can be explained with the help of the diagram. Here AB is the initial production possibility curve, and due to the change in the various factors like improvement in technology, increase in the productivity of the labor, availability of the raw materials, when it increased, or when there is the sufficient natural resources in the economy and increase in the population, the production possibility curve shift outward to A1, B1 like this, A1, B1, and it is called the outward shift in the production possibility curve. Whereas when there is old technology, when the productivity of the labor decreased, when the raw materials are in shortage, when the natural resources are in shortage, and there is a decrease in the population because of death, migration, etc., the production capacity of the economy decrease, and the PPC curve shift inward from AB to A2, B2 like this, A2, B2. Thank you for watching my video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.